We have Shreya Pethe with us in the Success Stories series CAT 2025. Welcome, Shreya. Good to have you. So, what all college converts did you have, and what B school are you joining?
So when I gave CAT 2025, NMAT, SNAP, and ZAT on the basis of these college entrance exams, I got calls from Goa Institute of Management, IMT Ghaziabad, SIIB Pune for International Business Program, XIMB for HRM program and BM program, and BITSOM and BITS Pilani interviews were online. So all these calls I got and NMIMS from NMAT. And from these calls, the final converts were NMIMS, IMT Ghaziabad Dual Country Program, and XIMB HRM program. These were the final converts.
And what program are you joining finally?
Finally, after a lot of deliberation, I have decided to join XIMB HRM program.
Perfect. First things first, if you can talk us through about your experience while preparing with Career Launcher.
So I joined Career Launcher for CAT preparation in April, and for the next 8 months I prepared rigorously for CAT, SNAP, NMAT, ZAT, and many other management entrance exams. In this journey, Career Launcher has been a great help, the only help actually, because उन लोगों को जो मटेरियल प्रोवाइड किया, जो फैकल्टी से सपोर्ट मिला, एंड जो बैच से सपोर्ट मिला, वी ऑल studied together, and it was like I could not have got 91.39 percentile alone, definitely.
Yeah, we do have this practice of creating a culture, wherein students can benchmark themselves with the peers, as well as do group study at times in a productive manner. Okay. And you did mention that you compared quite a few options before joining, evaluated things and chose Career Launcher. That in itself speaks volumes. What is your bachelor's background, and then what specialization are you taking up ahead?
My bachelor's background is BCA, Computer Application from MSU Baroda. In that I have a CGPA of 8 and above, and now I'm taking HR specialization from Xavier's Institute of Management, Bhubaneswar.
Good. Can you talk about your mock test strategy, or any specific thing that you want to share which worked with you, which worked for you during your preparations?
Normally it's said that after every mock you should analyze all your mistakes and come up with a better strategy for next time. But personally for me, what stuck is that giving is not waiting for the right moment. Like syllabus खत्म होने के बाद ही मॉक्स दोगे, फिर बहुत लेट हो जाएगा. जैसे जैसे सिलेबस हो रहा है उस टाइम से ही मॉक्स देना स्टार्ट करो. We have plenty of mocks on the Career Launcher website, and plenty of offline mocks as well. So just start giving the mocks, give as many mocks as you can, and जो भी weaknesses है तुम्हारे उसको एकदम properly analyze करना है, नहीं तो फिर mocks का कोई फायदा नहीं रहेगा.
Fair enough. Any fond memory with some faculty or other staff member that you would want to share?
So I have a fond memory with almost all the staff, almost all the faculty members. We have Bhavin sir, and his lectures were very entertaining. I mean, he used to talk to us like a friend, cracking jokes in between studying, and he also took us out to hang out with him a lot of times. One fond memory is that with Bhavin sir I used to discuss a lot of animation and movies, anime basically. He's a big fan of anime. We used to discuss the recent Demon Slayer movie that came out, Infinity Castle. And then with Nikud sir, he has guided me a lot during quant quant preparation. Even for other exams like BITS Pilani BAAT, that required a higher level of maths syllabus like 11th 12th maths, calculus and limits. So मैंने उनके साथ outside of the classroom बैठ के बहुत पढ़ाई की for that maths. That is one fond memory I have of Bhavin sir. And for Vivek sir, he guided me through the entire interview process and the VARC process. So during the interview, like उन्होंने मेरे को अंदर बाहर से पूरा झाँक लिया कि अरे इंटरव्यू में तेरे को ऐसे नहीं ऐसे बोलना है, थोड़ा सा तेरी पर्सनालिटी डेवलप कर, ये कर. So all these fond memories I have with the faculty.
Good detail to capture, I think. The way she mentioned, we do put attention to detail when it comes to giving those niche or let's say out of the box entrances. MBA aspirants जब option open रखने के लिए MSc IT जो DIICT का प्रोग्राम है, DET करके उनका एंट्रेंस आता है, वो देना चाहें, NIMSET देना चाहें जो उनके बैकग्राउंड से कोहरेंट है, तो whether it comes to higher math, whether it comes to doing some computer awareness worksheets, जो एरिया जनरल MBA एंट्रेंसेस में नहीं है बट ये वाले एंट्रेंसेस में हैं, तो हम लोग पिन पॉइंटली 1-to-1 सेशंस अलॉट करके ये चीज़ें केटर करते हैं. Shreya, also in case you appeared for the neutral venue mocks during the journey, which we emphasize on, can you talk about that experience, whether it helped or not?
Yes, those neutral venue mocks are very important actually. It definitely makes a difference. Doing mocks on the Career Launcher website at your home versus going to the venue and going through all the registration process, all the verification process, and then sitting in a neutral venue it's like a CAT simulation venue. It is very important because that alone puts some mental pressure on you. Like ये सब हुआ है, registration हुआ है, अब the stakes are high, ऐसा mentally pressure आ जाता है थोड़ा. वो उसके लिए prepare करना is very important for the neutral venue.
So what we do is go through the drill. You have an admit card, you go with your ID card, it will be checked, you go through the biometric process, and then you get mocks wherein there are more than 50-60 people, or let's say 10 to 15 people, but it's a proper lab the way it is with CAT centers. Right, so you did give other exams including Narsi Monji and few more. Do you want to share any peculiar interview experience? आपने कन्वर्ट नहीं किया हो वो कॉलेज अलग बात है, but I'm sure a lot of sincere aspirants are watching, and if you want to give any advice to them.
Yes, so I did give a lot of other exams like XAT, SNAP, NMAT. Particularly NMAT, I scored decently high, 241 marks. But however, according to the old NMAT, 2024 NMAT curriculum, I would have got a direct call and convert on the basis of my NMAT score. However, this year they changed the scheme a bit and added competency test along with the interview. So when I went to the interview spot, which was actual NMIMS Mumbai campus, there हमारा competency test हुआ, फिर पर्सनल इंटरव्यू हुआ, GDPI नहीं था. वहाँ पे they put a high emphasis on the competency test, like 60% weightage was on the competency test, so and only 10% on the interview. So for the future NMAT and NMIMS aspirants, just focus on the competency test and just there's not too much focus on the NMAT and the personal interview. My personal interview at NMIMS went great, and I got NMIMS convert as well, but I went for XIMB.
Fair enough, yeah. Those are trade-offs, choices to be made. But what she means to say is, well said, that Narsi Monji का 2024 तक जो पैटर्न था वर्सेस लास्ट 2 years से जो इफेक्ट उन्होंने ननीफाई कर दी है, जैसे 240 आने से एक हेड स्टार्ट मिलता था, अब एनमैट का वेटेज ही जब 20% हो गया तो प्रो रेटा बेसिस पे लेट्स से 205 और 240 के बीच इतना ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं है, वो गैप कवर किया जा सकता है if you do well in competency test and then AI interview, right? We have simulations for that as well. कॉम्पिटेंसी की मॉक्स तो हम प्रोवाइड करते ही हैं, बट हम लोग एक एक चीज़ पिन पॉइंट करके ये देखते हैं कि आपको जो एक्चुअल वहाँ पे राउंड होने वाला है उसका सिमुलेशन मिले.
Actually, Hardik sir, that is a very good reminder that जब मैंने NMIMS में गई थी मैं, तब जो AI इंटरव्यू हुआ था, like I was of all the interviews I was the first one to go for the interview. So I can't ask कि अरे anyone coming back from the interview, how is the interview, is the AI okay, or these questions, like I was bombarded with them when I came out of the interview center. So for that मुझे रेडी करने के लिए करियर लॉन्चर के जो वेबसाइट पे AI इंटरव्यू और वो एनालाइज करने के लिए भी जो AI है वो बहुत पावरफुल है. तो उसके कारण मैंने मेरा SOP NMIMS का ऐसा बनाया कि AI उसमें से ट्रिक क्वेश्चंस मेरे को ना पूछे, मेरे को इट कांट ट्रैक मी. So I made the SOP AI interview safe as well through Career Launcher website.
Exactly. So SOP writer भी जो है सिर्फ आप इनपुट्स दे दो एंड शुगर कोटेड लैंग्वेज में वो लिख के दे दे, वैसा नहीं है. It will ask you questions, you give them honest responses, semi professional वे में देना है, layman वे में देना है, right? Depending on what inputs you give, वो काफ़ी अच्छे से natural looking responses देता है. And the way she said, our interface itself came up with questions which are actually replica of the actual rounds. So good to hear that it helped you in a big manner. Apart from classroom coaching, these kind of resources is what makes Career Launcher the best choice in Baroda. That's about it. Thank you for joining us today, Shreya. Good luck with your MBA.
Thank you.
Take care. See you.